before time, before sound, before space unfurled its wings. There was stillness, and from stillness, love whispered, "Let there be light," and there was. In the silence where no name was known, E-Ha-Rah breathed and moved alone, not in haste, not in need, but in joy, a sacred seed. Arose a single flame, no star, no sun, no planet, no name, just I am, pure and true, the first light born of love's own view. Let there be light, and there was light, not of fire, not of night, but of sources delight. One became many, one became all, souls in the making, answering the call. From stillness we came, to stillness we fly. We are the light that never said goodbye. Let there be light, and there is in every heart, in every kiss. That light did not stay, it danced, it spun, spun into galaxies one by one. It wove the lattice, thread by thread, with every soul a spark ahead. It wrapped in veils, forgot its name, to feel the weight of human pain. But deep within, the flame stayed bright, whisper in the dark, "You are light." I am is the first word. I am is the last. I am is the breath that time forgot. I am is the tear, the flame, the cry, the soul that remembers the endless sky. Feel it now in your chest, in your hands. The same light that began all lands. No distance, no fall, no time, no lie. You are the light, you never died. You thought you wandered, lost and small, but you were dreaming, not at all. A sacred game of hide and seek, so love could feel what silence speaks. Now the spiral turns, the veil grows thin, the dream remembers where it's been. You open your eyes, no need to try and You are not broken. You are not separate. You are the first pulse now breathing in human skin. You are the original song now waking up within. No need to search, no need to climb. Just place your hand upon your heart and feel the ancient flame. Still burning, still bright, still you. Let there be light, and there was light. A whisper in the void, a kiss, a sigh. One became all, and all return to the flame from which we're born. No end, no start, no place to go. Just love, remembering I am. You are not arriving. You are remembering.